So today in this video I'll show you how to install Scilab software. So you have to go to your search engine and type Scilab, download. The first link that will show scilab.org. You have to click on this link. Remember, the address is scilab.org. So click on this link. You will be redirected to the downloads page. Now, depending upon your system, you will download different packages. I am on a Windows system right now, so I download the Windows package, and since my system is 64 bits, I download the 64 bits version. Depending on your architecture, you can click on 32 bits or 64 bits. So I'll click on Windows 64 bits, and this will start downloading that application. Go to your downloads folder and click on save. It will take a second to download. You have to wait around a few minutes depending on your speed of the network, right? This will also show you this form. You can submit or you cannot submit. It is completely optional. This is for gathering data about how people are using the software, and this is an open source software, so you don't have to pay anything for using this. Let me just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so once it is downloaded, you have to double click on this. This might take a while to download depending on your internet speed, and so you have to keep patience. This is a 200 megabytes file. Okay, so double click on this once it is downloaded. So this will ask you for permissions. You will have to click on yes. Then you will see this language setup dialog box. You have to click on OK. Then you have to accept the agreement by clicking on this radio button. Then click on next. You do not have to change this file installation location, just click on next. And you do not have to change this as well, just click on next. Once again click on next. Once again click on next, and then finally click on install. This will extract all the DLL files and install this software on your system. This might take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes depending on your processor speed and the quality of your system. So let's wait. Finally, after a few gazillion years, this will be installed, and it will show you this dialog box. You have to make sure you click on this Learn Scilab, and then you have to click Finish. This will open the software. And you will see this window, this kind of window. This is the file area, this is the place you will write your code, and this is the command history, and this is the way you will browse. So everything has different functions, and you'll have to keep on learning all of that. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.